Hey team, welcome back. My name is Mike and this is the channel where you get updates on tech and lifestyle. Today we are going to unbox something different, something new from Oppo. I am talking about the Oppo Reno 13 series. Now what I have here is the Oppo Reno 13 5G and we're going to unbox it now. This phone is turning heads and I'm about to show you why. So let's get unboxed. Woo! Packaging pa lang, guys. Premium. It's like it has a wrapper that you see there and you want to remove it, but it's actually not a wrapper. It's part of the design. It's different, no? The packaging pa lang, it screams premium. It is sleek, it is minimalist as well. And it has that high-end vibe, no? Like high-class stuff. Malinis. Oppo. We have the phone right... Parang anlinis sobra ng experience when you unbox it. Sayang wala akong top view, pero look at that. It's just clean. It's clean, man. Huh? So we have the charging cable, the regular USB Type A to Type C. Ito yun. We also have yung kanilang charger. Siyempre, alam natin ang Super VOOC charge ng Oppo. Ito siya. And then yung panundot niya, wala na doon sa mga loob, nandito siya sa labas. So, it's there. It's just there. Dito sa isang box, syempre, yung mga siguro warranty guide, quick start guide, manual. Tapos, nandito rin ang kanyang case. Ooh! Binalik nila? Binalik ba nila? So, naalala niyo yung Reno 12 na sinasabi ko. Gusto ko yung texture sa likod kasi parang alam mo kaagad na phone mo siya. So, ito ngayon, yan, sa loob naman ang texture looking niya. Pero sa labas, flat siya. This phone. Ooh. Shit. Dude, man. Wow. Look at that. Camera module. Design ng white back case. Oh, gosh. Ooh. Wow. Ang labas niya, pag gamit mo siya, para siyang, di lang siya basta phone, pero statement piece. Nakikita niyo ba yan likod na yan? Nakikita niyo yung parang pakpak niya na di mo... Diba? This is like half of the butterfly wing niya. Simple. Parang may depth din siya sa design niya eh. It has that matte and gloss finish in the phone. Pero wala naman siyang, alam mo yun, it's flat. It's linis. Tapos pag natamaan siya ng ilaw, may shimmer effect din siya. Now, the color of this one is plume white. Meron din isa pa, luminous blue naman. At maganda naman yung sa labas nito. Talking about the build quality naman ito at yung handling niya, durability niya. Parang solid din siya eh. Hindi siya, you don't feel that it's flimsy or entry level or mid-tier. Talagang pang flagship yung feels niya. Yung buong casing niya in your hands. It's very nice. So they say that they used aerospace grade aluminum frame. So sa labas niya. So talagang it's built for, light siya. It's not that heavy. It's very light. Pero talagang parang quality yung build niya and very durable kasi nga, aerospace grade aluminum. Okay, check natin what is on top. Yan siya. And sa sides, on the right side, yan. Volume and power button. At the bottom, you have the Type-C and yung mga slots and the speaker. Sa left, wala. And also, sa likod, para siyang, it has a sculpted glass panel as well where the camera is being placed. So, hindi siya kita pero very, siya, usually different siya. Pero parang glass siya, parang transparent lang din siya. It's like embedded already there. Tapos kasama na siya sa design talaga. It gels together, yung design aesthetic nitong plume white at yung buong Oppo Reno series ng 13. Ganda. Ganda ng mga designs niya. This one has IP69 water resistant. Water and dust resistant. Basically, it means that it can handle anything that you throw at it. Pero having this type of frame, tapos design, tapos IP69 pa siya, water and dust resistant, solid. Umulan man siya, matapunan, or even taking photos underwater. Habang nagpo-pool ka, if you want to take photos, you're safe with this one. This phone would be your companion for those adventures. Kasi wala kang worry. Durable siya, waterproof, dustproof, tapos pwede pa mag-take underwater if you're like doing your adventures. You guys should check this out. The all-around armor of the Oppo Reno 13 series will give you the confidence to take it anywhere. nakikita ko na yung sarili ko na nag-travel kung saan man ako, abroad man, locally, or sa pool. Tapos using this phone, just taking photos. I don't have to worry if mapasukan mo siya ng dust or water kasi it's safe. And this one has IP69, so the highest grade of water ingress and dust, no, safe. So capturing travel memories, shooting video, shooting vlogs, and basta everything, no? Even editing on your phone, pwede dito. This one has like an AI editing feature as well that can produce the videos na sa mga travels mo or whatever it is na you might want to post online. So this one is gonna help you a lot. So game changer talaga siya kasi parang all-in-one, everything in one phone na rin siya. Pwedeng-pwede for your adventures. But syempre, let us talk about the real star of the show, the 50 megapixel camera. Insane yung camera nito kasi we were able to test this out when we went to Tagaytay. And of course, the team also went to Siquijor to test out yung capabilities ng Oppo Reno 13. Solid siya. Ang ganda ng view, ang ganda ng space. Ang daming areas where you guys can test out. Hindi ba sa mga water activities and adventures talaga. This one was really put to the test. Yung sa shots niya, the level of detail is incredible. It's nice, no? Kasi you get decent, good contrast and good colors and really good photos, dito sa Oppo Reno 13. It's very vibrant and yung focus niya is really sharp. Even in low light, the photos are amazing. Yung realistic but it's not too AI altered. Talagang ginagamit yung AI feature to enhance yung photo na nakita mo, na kinapture mo, kumbaga. Realistic pa rin, syempre. Now, if we're gonna talk about yung display niya, it's 120 Hz. Smart adaptive screen is buttery smooth. Everything feels incredibly responsive din sa phone niya. Plus, power din siya ng MediaTek Dimensity 8350. So, in performance niya, lightning fast. So, ano ba ang ibang features ng Oppo Reno 13? So, they have the AI live photo. Ang maganda dito is you can receive yung mga live photos from iPhone devices and ma-view mo dito sa Android phone mo na Oppo Reno 13. So, yun ang isa sa mga okay din, diba? Yung mga live photo ng mga iPhone users. So, marireceive mo siya at mariread mo siya. And you can also send to them. Meron din AI Clarity Enhancer. So, the AI Clarity Enhancer, for example, you took a photo of the landscape shot, no? Tapos, you crop it. Hindi pa rin maululose yung details and yung quality ng photo. Even if you crop it and enlarge it, andun pa rin yung details niya. Clear pa rin siya. Yung AI Unblur naman, it restores yung details ng mga blurry photos mo. Textures, expressions, and more. Syempre, this is all magically created by AI to give you that really good striking shots. So, kunwari, may mga malikot kang bata, or may aso ka na gusto mong kunan, so if magalaw sila, this one, i-unblur nila yung photos para mas enhance yung shots at makuha niyo yung moment na gusto niyo. Meron din siyang AI reflection remover. So, for example, yun, on top of your office or moving car, o kaya nasa cafe ka sa street and you want to take a photo, syempre may mga reflection minsan, di ba? Pag nasa window ka lang, tapos you're taking shots of the view outside, makikita mo minsan may reflection ng mirror. So, meron siyang ganong features na nire-remove niya yung reflection. That way, you can get the image that you really wanted. Now, let's talk about yung battery life naman ito. 5600 milliamp of battery or 5600 milliamp. This battery would get you enough, no, sa day mo. If you're using like regular call, social media, a couple of videos, siguro gaming din, it can last you the whole day. Pero syempre, isa sa mga strong suits ni Oppo is yung kanyang SuperVOOC charge, which is really fast din. Now, this charger is 80 watts. SuperVOOC charge, flash charge. Talagang bilis. You'll be back to 100% in no time. Meron din siyang AI multi-cooling system which cools your phone if nag-overheat man siya. Just in case super daming apps ang nag-run sa'yo at saka heavy ka sa gaming and other stuff. So, meron siyang ganong klaseng feature that prohibits the phone from overheating. Kasi syempre, minsan yung temperature, if you're outside din, bilad sa araw, or out on your adventures na init, tirik ang araw, syempre may initan din yung devices natin. So, don't worry kasi meron din siyang AI multi-cooling system. So, those are just some of the details. Yun lang ang Oppo Reno 13. Iba pa yung Pro, no? Iba pa yung Oppo Reno F. But I would recommend you guys to get the 5G or get the Pro. Either way, no? There's a phone that fits for you. There's an Oppo Reno 13 phone that fits whatever lifestyle that you might have. So make sure you guys check out those details sa website nila or sa website ko, mixoferything.net. So there you have it, the Oppo Reno 13 series. An innovative device that empowers you to travel, explore, and show off the world through your unique lens. With its IP69 water-resistant, AI live photo, AI editor, stunning butterfly design, and so much more, this phone is ready for your adventures. The Oppo Reno 13 series is coming soon in the Philippines on January 31st. So get ready to unleash your inner explorer and capture every moment with stunning detail. If you guys like the video, make sure you press that like button and share with your friends. And for more updates like this, Make sure you guys follow my channel, Mike Soon. And the full review of the Oppo Reno 13 is going to be up on my blog, mixoferything.net. Make sure you guys reach out to my socials as well for updates and other stuff, okay? My name is Mike, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Bye.